Welcome to Dhiksha Learning. Today we are going to learn farm animal names and sounds. This is a cat. Cat. This is a donkey. Donkey. This is a honeybee. Honeybee. This is a dog. Dog. This is a horse. Horse. This is a fish. Fish. This is a pig. Pig. This is a sheep. Sheep. This is a cow. Cow. This is a rooster. Rooster. This is a buffalo. Buffalo. This is a bull. Bull. This is a hamster. Hamster. This is a hen. Hen. This is a duck. Duck. This is a parrot. Parrot. This is a rabbit. Rabbit. This is a turkey. Turkey. This is a goose. Goose. Thank you for watching.